Hi guys, it's Dee and welcome to Dee's Yard. It's currently the spring of 2024 and I thought it'd be a good time to do an update on some projects that I did a few years ago. If there's any other updates that you would like to see that I did not include in this video, please let me know in the comments. Also, I will have all related videos to each project linked down below in the description box. The first update is my elevated garden bed I built in July and August of 2020. So almost 4 years ago, and has helped me produce so much food. This garden bed stays full and is never empty. Only once per year, I add around 2 cubic feet of compost to top off and mix in an organic fertilizer such as garden tone. I just recently planted my summer peppers and bush beans, and then I have some leftover carrots, spinach, and lettuce from the late winter crops. I really enjoy this garden bed. The next update is on my Triumph Muscadine grapes that were planted in May of 2021. So they have been here 3 years now and have performed wonderfully. Their first season planted, they reached the top of the arbor, so they are vigorous. To help train them, I just used tomato garden tape to help them up the arbor. In the late winter, early spring, I prune them back and help maintain a single leader up the arbor. I also weave the vines in and out the top trellis and they really love their location. Now onto the winter gem boxwood hedge that I started from cuttings. I took one winter gem boxwood plant and created multiple by taking cuttings in July of 2020. The hedge was then ready to plant in November of 2021. So this is almost 4 years ago from baby cuttings, and I really love how this hedge is forming. I left room inside and I plan on planting something else on the inside of them. The next update is on this new Cascade Hydrangea called Fairytrail Bride that I planted in August of 2021. The last 2 winters we've had some late damaging frost, which set this hydrangea back. So this is the first year that I'm seeing some blooms on it. It's a little slow to get settled in and started, but I'm hoping from here on out, this whole hydrangea is covered in blooms. This Spring Glory Seviceberry or Amelanchier is one of my favorite trees. It's super compact, only reaching 12 feet in height and 6 to 8 feet in width. I planted it in November of 2021 and I've had berries every season. Of course, the birds get to them quickly. But I love the addition of the tree to this area of the garden. My last update is on the southern highbush blueberries called Hello Darlin and I Declare. I planted them in May of 2022 and they have grown and produced so many blueberries. We just had a strong storm with over 3 inches of rain at once, so the branches are weighed down some. But they are just completely loaded up with berries. Thank you guys so much for watching. And again, if there's any other updates that I missed that you would like to see, please let me know in the comments down below. Bye guys.